All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today Chevy finally revealed the specifications of the brand new 2023 Chevy Z06. Let's check out this new Corvette right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric. We're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, man, I've been waiting for these results. I tried to do the live stream, didn't work. I'll have to figure that later. But right now, let's concentrate on these wonderful numbers. The 5.5 liter V8 is now the most powerful, naturally aspirated vehicle made for a V8. It has the Power King for V8s naturally aspirated, 670 horsepower at a redlining, screaming 8,400 RPM. Oh wait, the red line goes to 86, but still, the power goes to 8,400 RPM, 670 horsepower. That is insane. Torque, 460 foot-pounds of torque at a very stratospheric 6,300 RPM. So torque is pretty low and it's way up top. But man, that horsepower is just screaming 670 horsepower. Come on, guys. A Chevy Corvette with an engine that revs to 8,400 RPM, making 670 horsepower. Redline is another 200 above that, 86. This is insane. Come on. You know, if you've driven a Corvette, you shift by 6,500 at latest. You don't shift at 86. This is crazy. So I'm very excited. Let's get to the rest of the specs. Tires, they're huge. 275 width front tires. They're 20-inch rims. So it's 275 30/20s. The rear tires are just astronomical. 345 25/21s. They are aluminum wheels from the factory, although you can get these beautiful carbon wheels, which if you have the money, please get these carbon wheels. They look amazing. And if they make as big of a difference as they did on the Shelby GT350R, everyone raved about those carbon wheels. So if you have the money, spend it. This looks amazing. Let's get to the price. It's supposed to start under $90,000. Come on, it has the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever made. They're going to charge under $90,000. This thing looks like it's going to take on Ferrari. It's going to take on Lamborghini. It's going to go toe-to-toe with the big dogs for under $90,000 to start. Now, I know you could probably load one up well into the 120s, but even if you load it up into the 120s, you're still going up against cars that are $250,000, if not more. So this is still a bargain. It's putting Porsche on notice. Ferrari, Lamborghini, everyone's on notice. Chevy has come to play. The regular C8 Corvette impressed me with its looks. The engine, look, it's a great American V8, but I was waiting for something exotic, something different, and this is the engine that I was waiting for. The sound that this makes is glorious. The power, I was thinking low sixes. I was saying like 617, and I was very happy with that. But 670? I'm speechless. But can it stop? What kind of tires are we working with here? Oh, they work specifically with Michelin. You guys may have heard that as far as a tire company is concerned. They made something called a new Pilot Cup 2R specifically for the Z06. They custom tuned it and made it for this car. So it might be able to have some cornering capabilities and stopping. But what about the brakes? Small 11-inch rotors? No. 15.4s in the back and 15.7s in the front. Are you kidding me? Those are huge. Those are the biggest rotors I've ever seen on a Chevy, and some of the biggest rotors I've ever heard on a car, period. This thing's going to be able to stop. But is it going to be slow? Come on. How fast could it really be? Well, estimates right now say 0 to 60 should happen in about, 2.4 seconds. Quarter mile should take about 10.4 seconds. So this is a 10-second car. This is going to get to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Fuel economy, 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Are you kidding me? 670 horsepower and I can still get 24 miles per gallon out on the highway? That's insane. Now in town, it's It's crap. It's 13 miles per gallon in the city, and it's 16 combined. And we all know that if your foot's on the throttle, you probably see single digits. Is it still worth it? Absolutely. Does it weigh a lot? Yeah, 3,700 pounds, maybe 38, depending on what options and trim level you have. So she's heavy. She's got the power to move, and she looks fantastic. Look at this interior. I love the Alcantara. I am a sucker for Alcantara. I love the quad exhaust pipes coming out the back. I love the wing. It looks very aggressive. The carbon wheels just really set it off. I really like it. Now the C8 has the engine to match its looks. Are you guys excited for this? This is the car that I want representing my channel. I love mid-engine cars. My favorite car I've ever driven was a Porsche Cayman 981 GTS with that flat six in the back. But this American V8 that screams to almost 9,000 RPM, the flat plane crank V8. All right, I want this one. Let's get this one. I want this one for the channel. Anyways, would you guys get this or get something else? Leave your comments down below. Are you excited or are you going to pass on this? My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.